Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Centauri Finance token. Ticker symbol is CFH. This token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. Centauri Finance. So their Twitter, I'm going to put up right here as usual, at Centauri Finance, 13,300 Twitter followers, 30 posts. It says Centauri Finance is an encrypted digital bank operating globally and a transparent cryptocurrency investment platform on DeFi 3.0. So on their pink sale announcement here, on their central exchange listing announcement, it says Centauri Finance is headquartered in Canada, which is where I'm from, and has obtained an operating license in compliance with regulations. It is an encrypted digital bank operating globally and transparent cryptocurrency investment platform on DeFi 3.0. Now, this token is on the Arbitrum blockchain. There is a total supply of 1 billion CFH tokens. Right now, they only have 196 holders, very brand new project, 18 decimal places, and a total supply of 1 billion CFH tokens. So, this token just got a brand new listing starting today, September 30th at 12 o'clock UTC time, on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search CFH, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So their official webpage, you can see it listed here on their Twitter, which is at centaurifinance.info. Now they also have a Telegram. You can check that out as well. And their Telegram is at CFH Node. And then they also have a full white paper on their webpage as well. And that'll take you over to centaurifinance.gitbook.io. And that's going to have all the information over there. So the Centauri Finance platform, they go over the whole origin, our name Alpha Centauri. And they go over, what that means and all that stuff. We don't really need to go over that. It says, since the inception of Centauri Finance, our goal has been to provide users with a full suite of decentralized finance options, a DeFi 3.0 tool suite that enables all participants to benefit and achieve a financial autonomy. Now, the introduction of Centauri Finance, they said it's headquartered in Canada. It is a transparent cryptocurrency investment platform on DeFi 3.0. Its business includes encrypted banking services, encrypted trust funds, global encrypted payments, and privacy wallets, privacy social networking, decentralized exchanges, and other sectors. So Centauri Finance's mission is helping cryptocurrency investors invest with confidence and allowing professional traders to get more out of their investing skills by creating and managing their own funds. So Centauri Finance's vision is to establish a decentralized Swiss bank through the C wallet developed based on ZK Snark privacy technology. Asset privacy and anonymous transactions can be achieved, and transaction records on the chain can be erased, which is an advantage of both decentralized wallets and centralized exchanges. So how it works, centralized banks use their reserved assets as currencies. Similarly, Centauri Finance will use encrypted reserve assets to support DeFi 3.0. Unlike the US dollar-linked encrypted native stablecoins such as BUSD, Centauri Finance holds DeFi 3.0 yield encrypted assets as fund pool reserves, continuously generating additional returns to support DeFi 3 and reward DeFi 3 stakeholders. So as funding grows, DeFi's underlying price support will increase over time. It is important to understand that Centauri Finance has an innovative automatic investment fund pool, DeFi 3.0 assets to ensure income through transaction taxes and minting, immediately start generating income for the fund pool and increase the support price of the CFH token. So they have seamless cross-chain. They also have aggregated transactions, so aggregate high-quality assets to improve user income. Multiple oracles provide credit guarantee for the price of the liquidity pool. And then they have the advantages of Centauri Finance, like economical and safe, built for stability and longevity, and full service. So they have an economic model that you can review on their white paper here. Basically, the token distribution, though, like we already said, there's a total supply of 1 billion tokens, and it is on the Arbitrum blockchain. But 50% of the tokens will be going to the R&D and laboratory. 30% goes to consultants and team. 10% goes to the initial coin offering institutional round. 5% foundation and social responsibility. 3% operations and marketing. And 2% reserve fund. Now, the token utility section says that you could use this token for pledging, staking and mining, dividends, so understanding dividends, you can read a section about that, creating liquidity for stakeholders, the treasury, the real purpose of the agreement, automatically acquire income assets, etc. So they have all sorts of different sections here that you could review. Now, they go over the team on here, major events, licensing and compliance, ecological applications, Centauri Finance, AI, and you can check all those sections out on centaurifinance.gitbook.io. And if you don't have an MEXC account, like I said, and you're looking to get this token, I do have an MEXC referral code in the description box down there. So check out all the referral codes. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.